So let's create a class, and I'm going to name it as string subsequence, and let's include the main method. So we get the class with main inside it. Now let's start off by writing the method. So it is private static. It will return string, so string. Let's call it get subsequence. And let's pass in the word or the sequence, so string word. Now let's get the first character of the string, which is present at index 0. So word, let's invoke char add to get the first word or first character. So let's pass in the index. It will give us the first character. So let's call it first. Now we need to apply recursion to rest everything, that is on the remaining string. So let's call the substring method on this word to get the remaining string. So word dot substring, and let's pass the begin index. Begin index is 1. This will give us the remaining string on which we are going to call the get subsequence recursively. So this will again give us the string having all the subsequences present in the word we are passing to this method. Let's call it rest. Next, we need to concat the first character to all the subsequences returned by this recursive call. But this rest will be having all the sequences separated by comma as a single string. So we cannot concat the first cat directly to this rest. First, we need to split the rest string by comma to get the subsequences one by one. Along with that, we'll keep concatenating the first character. So let's take for each loop. So for each string subsequence present in rest, and let's split it by comma. And now we will concatenate the first with every subsequence present in this rest variable or in this rest string. So I'm taking a variable result and I'm initializing it with empty string, and now in this result let's add first comma and then the first and then the subsequence. So along with this value where we are concatenating the first with the subsequence, we also need the subsequence itself. So in this result, it's string, let's say string. So in this result, we also need to have the subsequence itself. So again, appending it subsequence. So we are separating each subsequence again with comma, and as you can see, initially the result is an empty string, so we will be having one extra comma at the beginning. So to remove this extra comma, we will return result dot substring and will start it from 1. So this will remove that one extra comma at the beginning. Now it's time to write the base condition. Base condition is when the word becomes empty. So if the word we are passing to this get subsequence is empty, so is empty, then return empty string. So now this implementation of get subsequence method is complete. We can test it, and for that we will invoke this get subsequence method within main method. So here let's take a string word, and let's take A, B, C, and now let's invoke string get subsequence method on this string. Let's pass word, and this will return us subsequences. And now let's print the string subsequence. So sys out subsequence. Yeah. Now let's run this program and see the subsequences for ABC. So see here we are getting all the subsequences ABC, BC, AC, C, AB, B, A along with the empty string. Now let's change this input and let's try it again. So again we're having all the subsequences present in this given word along with the empty string.